Welcome to Homeschooling with Anita. Today I am going to show you two simple DIY experiments for kids to show how rain is formed. Take a vessel of water and bring it to boil. When the water heats up, water vapor starts to come from the water. We call it as water vapor. You can explain to the kids by showing this. When the sun shines, the heat of the sun warms up the water, turning into a visible gas called water vapor, as like how water vapor comes from the boiling water. This process of changing water vapor into air is called evaporation. Next step, keep a lid inside the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out the lid and close the boiling water. When the water vapor touch the cold lid, because of the cold, all the water vapor turns into water droplets, as we can see in this video. Now, if you remove the lid, the water droplets fall into the vessel, as how rain is falling from the clouds. Now you can explain to the kid. Water vapor rises up to the sky. Further you move up away from the earth's surfaces, the colder the temperature gets. So in the sky, the water vapor cools and form the tiny water droplets. This stage we call it as condensation. And all the water droplets gets collected in the river and ocean. When the clouds become too heavy and it cannot hold any more water inside, it opens to give out rain or snow. This is called water cycle, and the whole process happens again and again. Now I will show you the second experiment. Now take a glass tumbler or glass jar. Pour a little warm water and close the glass with a plate full of ice. As I explained you in the first experiment, when the water vapor touches the cold region, it turns into water droplets. Now you can ask the kids to see through the glass that water drops from the plate. You can tell them this is how rain is formed. Instead of just showing pictures and explaining to the kids, if you do simple DIY experiments like this, kids will really enjoy and they will not forget the concept throughout their lifetime. This is called water cycle, and the whole process happens again and again, evaporation and condensation. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more creative and innovative ideas.